In this question, you have to choose the option that represents the reason as to why the hypersecretion of growth hormone in adults does not cause further increase in height. Option A, epiphyseal plates close after adolescence. Now, in adults, the epiphyseal plates, that is the growth plates, in long bones, they fuse during or after the puberty. Under the influence of the sex hormones like estrogen, mostly in females, and testosterone in males. And once these plates are closed, further increase in height is no longer possible, even if there is increase in the level of the growth hormone. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, bones lose their sensitivity to growth hormone in adults. It is incorrect because bones remain responsive to growth hormone, but its effects are limited. Option C, muscle fibers do not grow in size after birth. It is also incorrect because muscle fibers can grow in size even in adults. Option D, growth hormone becomes inactive in adults. It is also incorrect because growth hormones remains active in adults and it continues to play a role in metabolism, muscle growth, bone maintenance, but it cannot stimulate height increase due to the closure of the epiphyseal plates.